Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of our club level 2-queen room at Universal's Portofino Bay Hotel. So as we first come over and look to our right, we have a nice entryway table with this beautiful mirror. You can see we have a Keurig machine here. This does come stocked with K-cups as well as creamer and sugar and other things you might need. As we come over here, we can see our ice bucket, some bottles of water. They also gave us a little bit of hand sanitizer there. We have plenty of room here to store bags or other things we might need to store as we're coming in from the parks each day. Also off to my right, we have this good-sized closet. This closet has plenty of space for storing lots of luggage. It also has some nice space up here overhead. We have a full-size iron and ironing board, as well as a safe here. Just across from the closet area, we have our beautiful bathroom. You can see we have plenty of space here with this beautiful double vanity. It does come equipped with a hair dryer. As we come in here, we can see that the toilet is actually completely separated off from the rest of the bathroom. So that's really nice. You do have your privacy when you're using the restroom here. As we walk back over, we can see we have this lovely walk-in shower. It's a nice spacious area. And we have a full-size mirror as well as some hangers on the back of the door. As we come out into the heart of the room here and turn to our right, you can see that there is the option to have adjoining rooms at Portofino Bay. This is a nice, spacious room. We have 2 queen beds here. Between the 2 queen beds, we have this nightstand, which has a good deep drawer as well as a nice size shelf here. And we have some ports there for charging our devices. On this side of the room, we have a nice comfortable armchair with an ottoman. We also have a table with 2 seats there. And we have this dresser unit with, again, very good sized drawers. And in the middle here, we have our mini refrigerator. No freezer compartment, but still plenty of space for storing your beverages or medications or other things you might need. As we come over to the window, you can see we have this beautiful view of the villa pool. We are in the villa section. And there's also a bocce ball court. So here's one more panoramic view of our beautiful club level 2-queen room at Universal's Portofino Bay Hotel.